Did you know that if Mount Everest were dropped into the ocean, it would still be over 2 kilometers beneath the waves? Well, there's more to this story, and we're going to dive deep into the incredible depths of our oceans. While the average depth of the ocean is around 3,688 meters or 12,100 feet, it varies greatly depending on where you are. Closer to land, we have the Continental Shelf, which is much shallower. And as we venture further out, we encounter the deep mid-ocean basins and the even deeper extreme trenches. In this video, we'll break down the ocean's topography, exploring these different depths and revealing some fascinating facts along the way. We'll start with the shallow waters near the coast, move to the abyssal plains of the deep seafloor, and finally descend into the extreme trenches that challenge our understanding of the ocean's depths. So get ready to embark on an underwater adventure like no other as we dive deep into the ocean's extreme depths. At an average depth of 3,688 meters or 12,100 feet, also known as 3.7 kilometers, the ocean is truly a vast and mysterious expanse. Picture yourself standing at the edge of the ocean on a clear day. The water stretches out before you, shimmering in the sunlight and hiding countless secrets beneath its surface. Now imagine descending into the depths, passing through layers of water that tower over you like colossal walls. At a depth of 3,688 meters or 12,100 feet, the pressure is immense, forcing water to compress and creating an environment that seems almost alien-like. Yet despite the immense pressure and darkness, life still thrives here. Strange and beautiful creatures have adapted to survive in these extreme conditions, from bioluminescent jellyfish to deep-sea corals. As you continue your descent, the temperature drops and the sounds of the world above fade away. It's a place of mystery and wonder, a true testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. But the ocean isn't just one uniform depth. There are sections that are much shallower or much deeper than the average. And the first section we're going to talk about is the Continental Shelf. This is the shallow area of the ocean that extends from the landmass or continent to the point where the seabed suddenly drops off into deeper water. The Continental Shelf is like the edge of a giant flat plate that has been lifted up and tilted at an angle, creating a sloping surface that gradually descends into the ocean. The width of the Continental Shelf varies depending on location, but on average it's approximately 80 kilometers or 50 miles wide. Some parts of the shelf are narrow and only a few kilometers wide, while others can stretch for hundreds of kilometers. The depth of the Continental Shelf also varies, but it's generally less than 200 meters deep. In some areas, however, the shelf can be much shallower, especially where sediments have accumulated and the seabed has been raised higher. The Continental Shelf is an important part of the ocean ecosystem because it provides a habitat for a wide variety of marine life. Many fish species live in the shallow waters of the shelf, where sunlight is abundant and there is plenty of food to go around. The shelf is also home to a variety of coastal ecosystems, such as coral reefs, mangroves, and rocky intertidal zones, which provide habitat and food for countless species of plants and animals. Humans also rely on the Continental Shelf for many resources, including food, energy, and minerals. The shallow waters of the shelf are rich in fish and other marine life, making them an important source of protein for coastal communities. The shelf also contains deposits of oil and gas, which are extracted by offshore drilling platforms. Additionally, the Continental Shelf is a major transportation route for ships carrying goods around the world. Because the shelf is relatively shallow, it provides a stable and predictable environment for shipping, which makes it easier and cheaper to transport goods by sea. But beyond the Continental Shelf, the ocean floor plunges dramatically into much deeper waters. These deeper regions of the ocean are often referred to as the deep seafloor, and they're characterized by immense pressures, complete darkness, and very low temperatures. The deep seafloor is home to a unique ecosystem of bizarre and fascinating creatures that have adapted to survive in these extreme conditions. For example, many deep-sea creatures have large eyes to detect the faintest glimmer of light, and some have bioluminescent features to lure prey or communicate with each other. Others have developed thick, gelatinous bodies to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep sea. Despite the challenges, life still thrives in these extreme environments, showcasing the incredible adaptability and resilience of living things. Next, let's explore the Mariana Trench, which is located in the western Pacific Ocean and is the deepest known point on Earth. This trench was formed millions of years ago when two tectonic plates collided and one was forced beneath the other. As a result, the ocean floor was pushed down, creating a deep, narrow valley that reaches a maximum depth of 10,984 meters, or 36,037 feet. This depth is known as the Challenger Deep, named after the HMS Challenger, a British naval vessel that conducted the first comprehensive survey of the ocean's depths in the 1870s. The Mariana Trench is so deep that if Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, were placed inside it, its peak would still be more than 2 kilometers or 1.2 miles below the surface. The pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench is immense, reaching over 1,000 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. This extreme pressure creates a unique environment that is home to a variety of strange and unusual creatures, many of which have never been seen before. For example, in 2019, a new species of shrimp-like crustacean was discovered in the Mariana Trench that had huge claws and was able to survive in the extreme cold and high-pressure environment. Despite the harsh conditions, life still finds a way to thrive in the Mariana Trench. The ecosystem is largely sustained by a process known as marine snow, which involves the slow sinking of organic matter from the surface waters down to the depths. This organic matter, such as dead plankton and fish, provides food for the organisms that live in the trench. The Mariana Trench is a reminder of the incredible forces that shape our planet and the amazing creatures that can survive in the most extreme environments. But now it's time to take things to a whole new level by talking about the deepest ocean depth of all, the Challenger Deep. Located at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, this spot is so remote and mysterious that little is known about it. What we do know is that it is a place of extremes, where the pressure is thousands of times greater than at sea level, and the temperature is close to freezing. Yet life still finds a way to survive here. Scientists have discovered a variety of bizarre and fascinating creatures in the Challenger Deep, including a six-legged sea star and a shrimp-like crustacean with huge claws. The Challenger Deep is a testament to the power and beauty of our natural world. It is a place of great mystery and wonder that continues to baffle and amaze scientists and explorers alike. So there you have it, folks, a breakdown of the ocean's extreme depths from the shallow waters of the Continental Shelf to the immense pressures of the Mariana Trench. We hope you learned something new and gained a deeper appreciation for the amazing and mysterious ocean that covers over 70% of our planet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling adventures, and check out our other videos for more exciting explorations of the natural world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.